everybody, it's Carrie with Park Seeds app from Seed to Spoon. I'm out here in the garden today about to start some seeds. I am going to plant some carrots with the help of my seeding square here. Since carrots are planted pretty densely, the seeding square makes it a lot simpler to go through and have them spaced out how they should be. So I'm going to use this today to help me out. And there's a sale going on right now, which is perfect timing because all of these seeding supplies are all on sale on the Parks website and our app for 15% off all of your seed starting supplies. So make sure you check it out. So I'm gonna go get started planting out some carrots in one of our smart pots. So let's get going. So I'm over here at one of our smart pots. This is a 50-gallon round raised bed right here. And I have a plan for this one. What I'm going to be doing is planting carrots out in the middle with the seeding square. And then I'm going to come behind after I plant those, and I'm going to plant some peas along over here. And I'm going to put a little trellis in here for them to climb up. And then I'm also going to put some lettuce out in the front, so that way I can have a little bit of everything in this bed. That's what's great about having these round raised beds. You have plenty of space for lots of different things. And those are all really good companions to have together in the garden. And if you are unsure if something that you're planting is a companion to another, make sure you check out the From Seed to Spoon app, because there's a section in there. So if you go to carrots and you go to Friends tab, it'll show you all of the friends or companions that are really good to plant next to carrots, and also enemies, so things you want to avoid planting next to each other. So it's really important to check that out too right before you go about planting things together, just to make sure that they are good to go. So when planting out carrots, or really any root crops for that matter, you want to make sure that you are really careful about only getting one seed in here, or if you do put more than one seed, that you do come behind and you thin them down before they start to get too large, because they need their own space. You don't want them growing together, two carrots in one, so you just want to have just one seed in each hole here. A really important part about planting out carrots is making sure that these seeds stay moist while you're germinating them. What we usually do is take some burlap and we get it wet and we put it on top of here. So that way while they're germinating, the seeds are staying moist, and then once they do start coming out, we make sure that we remove that burlap so that way they can get the sun and the air and all that. But that's one way to go about keeping these seeds moist while they're germinating. Carrots are so much fun to grow, especially with your kids. They love to come and harvest these carrots once they're done and see how big they got. And ours especially love growing the rainbow carrot varieties, and they like to come out here, see what colors that we got from them, because they're all different colors, and they're always pulling them out, really excited at what they got from the ground. So if you haven't ever grown carrots before, I highly recommend that you check it out, because they are so much fun to grow. And even if you have grown them before, I think everybody should always keep growing them, especially in the fall. The fall is one of the best times to go about planting carrots, because once the temperatures start cooling down, these get sweeter. And they taste absolutely amazing whenever you harvest them out, whenever the temperatures are dropping. It's an amazing time to start some carrots. It's also great because you can leave them in the ground longer than you can in the springtime because the temperatures are so cool. So it's almost like a little mini refrigerator that you have out here, so you can just store them essentially in the soil out here. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, today, and make sure that you check out that sale that's going on for all of these seed starting supplies that we have for these seeding square, the smart pots, and all of their labels and markers and all of that. Everything you need for seed starting is all on sale, so make sure you check that out. It's going through the weekend until Monday the 22nd at midnight.